Hi, I'm Jasmine, and I'm going to be discussing the different kinds of informal and formal assessments and the pros and cons to each. According to Merriam-Webster, the definition of assessment is the action or instance of making a judgment. Assessments are used in every classroom to inform the teacher of classroom needs. Assessments allow the teacher to understand whether instruction is working or if a student or students need extra instruction. One kind of assessment is informal assessment. These assessments are content and progress driven. They do not focus on overall education achievement, and their main focus is to monitor students throughout the year. There are many kinds of informal assessment. One is curriculum-based measurement. This measurement is formative, which means it's ongoing, and allows the teacher to monitor the student regularly and throughout the school year. It allows to see if instruction is working for the student. One kind of CBM is criterion reference assessment. This focuses on skill mastery. Unfortunately, these assessments do not allow for creativity, originality, or art. Another kind of informal assessment is Bergantz. These are standardized and they are usually used to write IEPs. Another kind of informal assessment is teacher-made. These are designed by teachers and allow the teacher to connect the assessment directly to the curriculum. This is direct measurement. It's usually matching, short response, essays, multiple choice, or true and false. The problem with these is teachers do make mistakes. And there has been a discrepancy found in what teachers find important and what the students find important in the lessons. More kinds of informal assessments are checklists, which are a list of behaviors or skill achievements, error analysis, which finds the patterns in making errors, and task analysis, which breaks everything down step by step in order to teach the student exactly what to do. Some of the pros to informal assessments is that it monitors student progress, allows the teacher to make changes throughout the year. It's less stressful and more natural for the students since they are in the classroom. Some of the cons include biases. In teacher-made assessments, the teacher decides what's important and what's on the test or what's on the assessment. The teacher also knows the student and can make biases on what they think the student can and cannot do. Another kind of assessment is formal assessment. These assessments focus on overall achievement. These assessments are norm referenced, which means they compare students of the same age or grade, and they are standardized and made by testing companies. These tests include the SATs and PARCC testing. The pros to this kind of test is that they allow educators to make a comparison throughout a grade to see what students are understanding and what they may need more help on. This also allows an educator to see if a specific student is above, below, or on average where the rest of their grade is. These are also very regulated and standardized, which allows for less teacher biases. However, some of the cons include teach to test, which includes the teachers wanting their students to succeed. So instead of covering everything in the curriculum or things that they find important, they only cover and focus on what will be on the assessment in order to help the students succeed on the assessment. These also include language and cultural biases. Since they are made by testing companies, for example, they are usually English speaking, and students who are from other cultures and speak other languages have a difficult time taking these tests. Both formal and informal assessments have advantages and disadvantages, such as biases for disadvantages, and for advantages, they can both be very helpful in the classroom in order to determine whether students need more instruction, more help, different instruction, or if the classroom is functioning properly. Thank you for watching.